Hello curious fox, I'm excited to have you on my channel. Today I have got something cool to share about our solar system. But first, we are going to have some hands-on fun by building a 3D model of it. I have got this awesome kit that includes models of all the planets, some metal hooks, glow-in-the-dark paint, a paintbrush, a stretchy cord, and even glow-in-the-dark stars and a moon. Let's dive into making our own 3D solar system model. First, look for the two parts of the Sun, Jupiter and Saturn. Match up each pair by finding the matching halves and twist them together until they are firmly connected and won't come apart. Next, grab those metal eye hooks and screw one securely into the top of each model. After that, get a cup of water handy to clean your brush because it's time to paint the planets with glow-in-the-dark paint. Dip the tip of your paintbrush into the paint and use it to cover as much of the surface as you want. Just move the brush back and forth to do it. Let's get ready to hang the planets. Start by cutting a piece of cardboard and glue a picture of galaxy on it, just like you see in the video. Now take those elastic cords and cut them into 12 inches pieces. Tie one end of each cord to the metal hook that we attach to each planet model. Now it's time to add the stars and the moon to our galaxy backdrop. We have got some double-sided tape to help us with that. After that, let's create a hole in the cardboard to hang our planets. Make 9 holes in the different spots, not in a straight line, but scattered. Now cut out little piece of cardboard and make holes in them too. Here is how we are going to hang the planets. We will start with the farthest planets from the Sun and work our way inward. The Sun goes in the middle, followed by Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. To hang them, thread the cord through the galaxy board we prepared earlier, then through the small cardboard piece and tie it securely. This way, the planets will be firmly attached to our galaxy backdrop. To tidy things up at the back, you can cut another piece of cardboard or thick paper and glue it on. This will secure all the tight threads and make our model look neater. Our 3D solar system model is now complete. One last tip. The painted planet will glow when they are exposed to sunlight for around 30 minutes. Enjoy your 3D model. See this in dark. It will look amazing, like our own galaxy. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more fascinating discoveries about our world. Thank you.